In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to looksmax. But before we get into that, you have to understand my credentials. I am someone who has become absolutely unrecognizable. Like, I've looksmaxed so hard that people don't even recognize me. This is what I used to look like before looksmaxing. This is me now. I made this video because most looksmaxing YouTubers won't tell you how to looksmax. They'll feed you with bullshit because they want you to keep on watching. They won't tell you what actually works, and that's where I step in. So the number one thing you need to do in order to looksmax is lose fat. I'm currently in the process of losing fat myself. Like you can see, this is how I used to look like before, and even before that, this is what I used to look like. So you can see I've gotten a lot leaner, okay? It's not as if I'm at my final form just yet, but I still look a lot better. If you want a tutorial on how to lose fat, do let me know and I will provide it for you, because losing fat in itself is a huge topic, bro, like genuinely. The second step in order to looksmax is to clear up your skin. And there's only two real ways to do this. The number one way is to go to a dermatologist, and this is like the cheat code, bro. If you have the money for it, go ahead. And the second way is to improve your health, because the acne on your skin, right, the acne you get like all over the place, like this is my cheek sideline here. This is what it used to look like. The acne you get is purely because you're not taking care of yourself. If your health was really good, you wouldn't have acne. Healthy people do not have acne, simple as that. And that's why healthy people look attractive. Focus on your health, focus on your sleep, your diet, your sunlight, your exercise. Focus on being a healthy human being, and then you will automatically look better. You will automatically look more attractive. The number one thing that really helps your skin is sunlight, bro. ये एक बहुत underrated चीज है, like sunlight for your skin. At least that's what it has been like in my personal experience. I don't know how it will be like for you. The only way to figure out if things work for you is by trying things. So go ahead and take in sunlight. The third thing I'm going to talk about is your physical aspects. In your physical aspect, your height comes into play. Your dressing, your fashion, your hygiene, your smell. All of these things matter a lot. मगर please take care of your fashion. छपरी कपड़े नको पहनो भाई. Like ऐसा बालों को brown dye नको करो. बहुत छपरी दिखता भाई. हद से ज्यादा छपरी दिखता. भाई वो रहते ना छपरी रेनबो कलर करके फिरते देखो बालों को. वैसा बिल्कुल भी नको करो. थोड़ा respectable दिखो, थोड़ा decent दिखो. Fades कर सकते हैं. Like I used to have a fade all of the time. मगर I feel like this looks a lot better, like this hair. Because like it makes me look more sophisticated and mature. Take care of your hygiene and smell as well, because if you smell bad, that's a turn off. Like people will genuinely get repulsed by you if you smell bad. So now I've given you your handbook to looksmaxing. Like you pretty much need to know nothing else apart from this. You can actually go and start looksmaxing. You can take your transformation from this to this. So please go and looksmax, take my advice. And with that, I think I'll end the video. I hope you have a very elastic day, bro. This is your neighborhood friendly civil signing off. And as always, bye.